Did you know that there are actually hundreds of people that make money on TikTok every single day? Today, I want to show you how actually you can make money on TikTok and what's the phenomenon of TikTok. Now let's cut the intro, and in the meantime, leave your TikTok username in the comment section below. Hi, my name is Agnes and I'm mom of two. I'm actually teaching beginners how to make money online. Today, I want to show you how to make money on TikTok and how you can use TikTok for different purposes. As you know, TikTok is pretty much a new social media website on the market. And actually, there is the same pattern as you look at different social media websites. There is the same pattern that repeats over and over again. When it was the same with MySpace, Facebook, Instagram, and now it happens with TikTok and YouTube. Basically, what comes after the factor that there is a great new social media platform is that there is a massive amount of organic traffic. The traffic that influencers, brands, and other big companies don't have to really pay for getting eyes on their products or on the brands. Every single day, actually, people make hundreds, thousands, or even millions of dollars on TikTok. How you actually make money on TikTok? Because TikTok is still a new social media website, you can actually, as I mentioned before, get a massive amount of free traffic. At the same time, you can generate a massive amount of followers. Those followers are needed for promoting different products, so basically for thing called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically is based on promoting someone else's products and being paid commission for doing that. TikTok is actually a brilliant place for affiliate marketing offers, and that's why ordinary people like me and you can basically set up their accounts and get yourself in front of other people and show the products that you are passionate about, that you would like to tell people about them, why they are so great, why you recommend them, and basically promote your own brand at the same time when promoting someone else's products. If you're a business owner, you can actually use TikTok for massive lead generation. My strategy is to leave on one of my websites so-called opt-in box where you can actually generate your leads. So basically you have a place on TikTok where you basically generate the information from people who are interested in your product, services, and or any type of business you promote. Great way is actually to create TikTok videos in which you call out to people and offer some free product, some free gift that they might be interested in. You know your audience, you know your niche, so you know exactly what gift they are looking for and what they would be happy about to receive in exchange of their leads, that means their emails and name. Another great way to use TikTok is actually to generate free traffic to your YouTube channel. As you see, most of TikTokers, they use TikTok videos and their TikTok accounts to send people to their YouTube channel or even Instagram. Like in my case, I have my YouTube channel connected with my TikTok account, and basically, you know, people from TikTok can come to YouTube, watch my stuff on YouTube, and the other way around. People from YouTube can go to my TikTok account and watch me on TikTok as well. That's a great way to, you know, keep things cohesive. TikTok is a brilliant place to find influencers to promote your product or your services. There's you know, a simple way to approach those influencers and ask them if they are interested in promoting your particular product or your brand, and ask them how much they would charge for one video, two videos, three videos. There are any discounts. You can approach them on TikTok and as well on Instagram. Usually those big influencers, they have their accounts connected, Instagram and TikTok together. I bet most of you found me first on TikTok, and if one of those people, please comment below I found you on TikTok first. By the way, if you are already enjoying this video and is of any value for you, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can enjoy my other trainings in relation to making money online and some tricks. If you are one of the influencers and have a great number of followers on TikTok, actually you can make a great money with TikTok itself. There is a place called TikTok Creator Marketplace, which is invitation only. That means that you get invitation through TikTok notification, in which TikTok actually invites you to cooperation when they consider that you would be great for promoting this product, or generally for getting more and creating more engaging content on TikTok, which is TikTok all about. And actually there are stars on TikTok who make tons and tons of money this way. If you really want to learn the right way how to make money online using TikTok, and not only, go to the description box and check the links that are there. There is a great free training that you can use for your TikTok account, and they are great tools that you can actually use for your marketing strategies, and not only. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop me a comment or send me an email. Thanks for watching today, and see you next time.